Hey guys, Tyler here with X-Tool USA. Today we are working on a 2010 Honda CRV. We have our key from our nitrous key kit here that we're going to be programming. So I'm going to show you guys the process on that. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go to special functions, mobilization, hit agree. Then we're going to go to US Honda. Go ahead and put the key inside of the ignition and switch it to the on position. And then we're going to go to Immobilizer and select auto and hit OK. And it's going to auto detect the system type for us. And there it is. Auto detected it. We'll hit OK. Now I don't have an existing key for this car, but the all keys lost procedure is almost exactly the same as the all keys lost procedure. The only difference is if you're adding a key, the machine will prompt you to introduce the original key first and switch it on and off a few times, and then it's going to tell you to put in your new key and switch it on and off a few times. But we'll go ahead and see the all keys lost procedure today. So we're going to select all keys lost. It's asking how many keys we want to program today. I'm just going to put one. All we're doing is one, so select one and do OK. And we're just going to follow the on-screen prompts, which is switch the ignition off, switch the ignition on, switch it off, switch it on, switch it off, switch it on. Is the immobilizer indicator off? There would be a green key light illuminated if the key were not programmed. It is not illuminated, which is a good sign. That means our key is programmed. So is the immobilizer indicator off? Yes, it is, which is a good thing. Switch ignition off. Switch ignition on, and switch ignition off. Key should be programmed, and we should be good to go. We'll go ahead and crank the vehicle. Car starts right up, and our remote should have programmed at the same time as the key, so we'll go ahead and test that real quick. The remote portion for this vehicle is going to be onboard. The battery was dead on my remote. I did attempt the onboard procedure, but it wasn't working because the battery was dead. So this is how it works. We're going to stick our key in the ignition. We're going to switch it to the on position and press lock on the remote. Switch it off, on, lock, off, on, lock, off, on, lock, off. And then you'll hear the door lock cycle. When you hear that, you press any button on the remote again, and it'll program the remote. And then we just take our key out, and that's the procedure for programming the key and the remote for this vehicle. Thanks, guys.